So in our previous segment, we talked about what organelles were. And in particular, we talked about the ribosome, which we said was very important in assembling proteins. So this is so important that I want to go over this with you just one more time. That inside your cell, you have a organelle called the nucleus. Inside the nucleus is going to be the DNA, which is going to be a string of nucleic acids, which has all of the instructions that tells your body how to operate. So what's going to happen is that there is going to be another little machine that is going to attach itself to the DNA. And as it goes through the DNA, it is going to assemble RNA, which is going to be a messenger of the information that's found on the DNA. So the DNA makes RNA. The RNA then leaves the nucleus, and then it goes to a ribosome. And the ribosome is kind of like a ticker tape machine, so that the messenger RNA will go through the ribosome. And as it goes through the ribosome, it's going to be reading the information that came from the DNA. And then the ribosome, in turn, is going to grab amino acids out of the cell and start to attach them one after another. And then when those amino acid chains leave the ribosome, they then begin to fold in on themselves, and then that makes a protein. And we said that proteins are very important inside the cell because proteins, they make up the structure of various components inside the cell. They are also used as chemical messengers for hormones. So proteins have a lot of different roles inside the cell. All right, now in our next segment, we're going to talk about why is water important in biological processes.